Good morning to one and all. Welcome to the course Banking and Financial Institutions for 2nd M.Com students. I am DR.R.LATHA, Assistant Professor in Department of Commerce at A.D.M. College for Women, NAGAPATTINAM. In today's presentation, we are going to discuss about different types of cards used by customers in banking services. Next, now we will see the definition of ATM and ATM card. ATM stands for Automated Teller Machine. Similarly, ATM card is a PIN-based card issued by a bank to account holders to use it for various purposes. ATM cards are generally debit cards. Next, let us see now the benefits of ATM card. The ATM card has the convenience when it comes to traveling, shopping or dining anywhere. It has direct access to the account for cash or purchases through point of sale terminals 24/7. Acceptance of card throughout the country. 24-hour customer services for all banking needs including blocking of card if it is lost or stolen, misplaced. Next, one-time password, that is OTP, security service provided to you when you are transacting online. Money transfers can be done quickly and efficiently. SMS alerts received after every transaction. Next, we will study about ATM card safety. Be sure to keep the bank informed of all changes in your contact information. Second one, never share or write down your debit card PIN. Keep your PIN secret. Do not provide your debit card number and PIN to an unsolicited email or online request. Next one, when you complete your online purchases, be sure to log off the site. Next one, protect your card, treat it like cash. Next one, always take your receipt and reconcile back to your account by viewing online, mobile banking or statement. Notify the bank immediately if you notice suspicious activity or if your card has been lost or stolen. Next one, be alert when recovering cash from an ATM. Next one, block the view of others when entering your PIN. Next one, be observant of any skimming devices attached to the ATM. Skimming devices are devices that are attached to the ATMs by fraudsters to take your card number and PIN. Next, details in ATM card. From the picture, you can see the various information written in the card. Number one, bank branding, which means the name of the bank like State Bank of India, Indian Bank or Axis Bank. Next one, card number. The first digit of the ATM card shows who has issued the card. This digit is called major industry identifier. Next, the next 6 numbers indicate the company that issued the ATM card or debit card called the issuer identification number. Next one, the next 9 numbers from the 7th to the 15th digit are linked to the bank account number. It is called short account number. The 16th digit is known as the check digit of the credit card or debit card. This shows whether the card is valid or not. Next, the card holder's name. As it mentioned, the account holder name is printed on the card. Next, small chip. In the chip, every detail of account are embedded in it. Next, the issue and the expiry date. It represents the validity of the card in years. Next, payment network logo. The card has the logo of the bank and determines the type of debit card, whether it is Visa card, MasterCard, Maestro or RuPay card. Next one, magnetic strip. The magnetic strips on the card is used to store digital data. The small amount of data is stored on this strip including the cardholder's name, account number, expiry date, etc. Next one, hologram. The hologram on credit and debit cards enables you to do payment processing in a more secure manner. When someone is paying you by card, it is important for you to check and see if this hologram is present. This represents a valid card and is a sign that the card is legal. Next one, contact information. In this, they provide toll-free number or their website for future contact. The toll-free number is printed on the back of the card. You can this number in case of any questions or to report the loss or theft of your card. Next one, the signature bar. A signature bar is provided on the back of the card. It is important that you sign the bar as soon as you receive the card. This can help you prevent fraudulent transactions. Some merchant retail outlets do not swipe the card unless the signature is verified. Next one, CVV number, that is the card verification value, is a 3-digit security code that is printed on the back of your card and the end of the signature panel. CVV is generally used for transactions when the card is not physically presented, such as in online purchases, example, air ticket booking. Next one, network logo, where the network is carried or processed by the banking institutions is provided. Next one, activation of ATM card. Step 1, visit your bank's website and choose the net banking option. Step 2, log in using username and password. Step 3, choose the ATM card services option. Step 4, you will be directed to a new page and then click on new ATM card activation. Step 5, select an account for which you have applied for a new ATM on the new page. Enter the 16-digit ATM card number in the given space. Step 6, click on the activate option. Click on confirm option after verifying all the details. Step 7, you will receive a password on your registered mobile number. Enter it and check on confirm option. Step 8, you will see a message on the screen that ATM card has been activated successfully. Next, benefits of ATM debit card. A debit card gives you the comfort to access money directly from your bank account. You can use your debit card for withdrawing cash, making online payments, paying bills at the merchant's place, completing transactions and purchases, etc. Many banks give you the facility to use your debit card overseas without any obstruction. Next one, the best features of debit card is the required financial flexibility it offers with at the same time encouraging better financial management. If you are a person who travels frequently, you can opt for the debit card, which allows you to access your money anywhere around the globe with features like unlimited check and electronic transactions so that you can easily handle your account. Next one, a debit card offers various levels of security measures to their customers. Visible features like the individual debit card number, PIN, OTP, 3-digit card protection key ensures that no one other than you can access your account. Some banks offer you the facility of zero liability policy where there will be no charge imposed for unauthorized transactions. Next, it helps you to avoid overspending. Unlike credit card, amount gets deducted from your bank balance directly, which encourages you to spend with your limits. Next, like credit cards, debit cards also provide you with the benefit of rewards and offers. For instance, different merchants give you the cashback offers on debit card payments. Next, advances features like contactless payments. For the fast and the simple payment process, many banks offer a debit card with features like contactless payment. Hence, we should opt for the debit card, which provides us with features of contactless payments to make our transactions smooth. Now, we will see what is credit card. A credit card is a type of credit facility provided by banks that allow customers to borrow funds within a pre-approved credit limit. It enables customers to make purchases transactions on goods and services. The credit card limit is determined by the credit card issuer based on factors such as income and credit score, which also decide the credit limit. The credit card information includes credit card number, cardholder name, expiry date, signature, CVC code, etc. The best part about a credit card is that it is not linked to a bank account. So, whenever you swipe your credit card, the amount is deducted from your credit card limit, not your bank account. You can use it to pay for food, clothes, take care of medical expenses, travel expenses and other lifestyle products and emergency services. Benefits of credit card. First one, convenience. A credit card is one of the simplest ways to pay for anything. No more counting out changes or writing checks, just present the plastic. You can even link your card to your digital wallet, which allows you to scan and pay without even having to carry your card in your wallet. Next, recurring payments. While credit cards are great for one-time payments, you can also set it up to automatically make recurring payments such as your phone, electricity or gas bills. No more will there be a chance of forgetting to pay bills on time and facing penalties or disconnection. Next one, recharge and tickets. One of the biggest credit card benefits over cash is the ability to pay for a wider range of online services. For example, you cannot buy flight tickets or recharge your mobile phone with cash or delivery. You can easily pay for them through the credit card. Next one, interest-free credit. A credit card comes with a grace period between purchases and payment, that is could be up to 50 days, during which the bank does not charge any interest. This is a perfect example of buy now and pay later. Next one, rewards. Every time you pay using any credit card, you earn rewards. You can redeem these rewards for exciting gift and vouchers such as free shopping trips or even free flight tickets. Next, cashback and discounts. From fuel surcharge views to great online shopping deals, your bank credit card opens the doors to a host of cashback offers and reward points, especially with the selected offline and online merchants. Travel in style. The bank credit card makes your travel a more pleasant experience with the free access to exclusive airport lounge, priority check-in and boarding, extra luggage allowances, etc. Expenses tracker. Credit card statements are a great way to track your expenses every month, since it provides you with an itemized account of your expenditure. Safer. One of the benefits of credit card in India is that that is much safer than carrying large amounts of cash around. You do not have to worry about dropping the money somewhere or having your pocket picked. If you lost the card, you can get a replacement after you notify your bank. Next, credit score. Most people are not aware of this, but a credit card benefits your credit score. Organizations like CIBIL give credit score to individuals depending on how prompt they have been in their payments. Using a credit card and repaying on time provides a boost to your credit score. A good credit score means you will be able to obtain loans, credit card quickly in the future. It is one of the credit card benefits cash or checks cannot offer. Extra benefits. There are other benefits of having a credit card. For instance, if you have a HDFC Bank credit card, you can get accidental death cover and fire and burglary protection on times that you have purchased. So you will be getting insurance cover without any premium. All you need to do the meet some minimum spending requirements. Next one, advantages of having the best credit card. First one, hassle-free shopping experience. The benefit of having the best credit card is that it has made shopping easier and convenient. You no longer need to visit malls or stores to make purchases. With your credit card, you can make big purchases from the comfort of your home. It can help you avoid putting any burden on your monthly budget with a credit card. A credit card allows you to buy products and services on low-cost EMIs. Another option that has become popular is a buy now, pay later, which is ideal for salaried borrowers with fixed monthly incomes. Next one, no need to carry cash. Credit card are the best alternative to cash as it is eliminate the need for carrying cash. Credit card are accepted almost anywhere you go. If you not have cash, you can simply use your credit card to cover your expenses and repay the outstanding amount at the end of the month. The process of making a transaction is simple. All you have to do is swipe your card at the point of sale terminal or enter your card details to make online payment. Next one, rewards, cashback and offers. The best credit card comes with the rewards and cashback that fits your needs and requirements. Depending on your credit card issuer, your credit card comes with a host of special discounts, cashback or rewards point of purchase made through it. Before getting a credit card, it is imperative to assess your needs. For instance, if you are a frequent traveler, it would be wise to choose a credit card that offers free airport lounge access or have travel insurance. Also, there are credit cards that offer special discounts on shopping, travel tickets and accommodation. Next, easy cash withdrawal. Another benefit of having the best credit card is that it allows you to withdraw cash whenever the need rises. However, it is worth nothing that using your credit card to withdraw cash follows a small fee that you will have to bear while repaying your outstanding amount. Widely accepted. The best thing about a credit card is that it is accepted worldwide as it is the most common mode of payment across the world. You can use your credit card to make international bookings and payments at airlines, restaurants, hotels, stores and a petrol pump with ease. It makes your travel around the world convenient. However, using your credit card abroad can cost you high foreign transaction fees and high foreign exchange rates. Next, meet emergency. If you are wondering what is a credit card, it is a type of loan that offers to cover the cost of emergency for you and your family. For instance, you can use your credit card to pay your medical bills. It eliminates the worrying of arranging funds for your medical bills. Keep in mind that you will have to make on-time payments to avoid hefty interest charges and a higher APR percentage, that is annual percentage rate, improves credit score. Some people also use credit card to improve their credit scores. Your credit score is a 3-digit number that indicates whether or not you are a credit-worthy borrower. It is considered as one of the crucial parameters to determine borrowing eligibility. When you repay your credit card bills on time, it leaves a positive impact on your credit score, allowing you to secure loans in the future. Eligibility and documents required for credit card. That is, you should be within the age 18 to 65 years. Next, you must prove that you have a minimum salary of rupees 4 lakhs per annum. Next, you must be either a salaried employee of an organization or a self-employed professional. You must have maintained a minimum credit score of 750. Next, identification proof, Aadhaar card, PAN card, driving license, voter ID, passport, any one of the mentioned. Next, address proof, utility bill, ration card, passport, driving license, voter ID card. That is any one of the mentioned. Next, income proof, salary slip, form 16, income tax return, any one of the mentioned. Next, age proof, 10th standard school certificate, birth certificate, passport, voter ID card. Next, disadvantages of credit card. Getting trapped in debt. If you cannot pay back what you borrow, your debt can pile up quickly. If you have bad credit, you could get hit with high interest rates, and once you in spiraling debt, it can be difficult to pay it all off. Next one, damaging over your credit. Your credit score can go down as well as up. Miss a payment on your card or allow debt to stack up, and this can damage your credit rating. This can make it harder to get credit in the future. Next, extra fee. The interest rate isn't the only number you need to look out for when choosing a credit card. There may be extra charges too. Your provider would impose fees if you miss a payment or go over your credit limit, which is bad news if you are already in the red. Some credit card might have a monthly or annual fee, and many balance transfer card charge a fee to switch a balance. Check the APR, that is annual percentage rate, to get an idea of the overall cost of a card. Next one, limited use. Credit card providers might charge you extra for things that are free with a debit card, such as withdrawing cash from an ATM or buying things overseas. Next one, smart card. A smart card is simply a plastic card with an embedded microchip that can load data. These cards have improved the convenience and the security of day-to-day transactions of people for online payments, shopping, business purposes, etc. The security benefits of smart card are also high. The impact of this card is reflected in every sector of daily activities. Let's have a look at the smart card applications in our everyday life. Next, applications of smart card. SIM cards and telecommunication. One of the beneficial smart card applications is the development of SIM card. These help unique identification modules for each user. The smart card contains specific data of each subscriber, making it easy to identify them specifically for billing and other purposes. The unique data stored can be used to manage the rights and privilege of each user in different networks. Smart card allow secure subscriber authentication, roaming across networks, and secure mobile value added services. Wireless provides enjoy the benefits of reduced treachery with the help of security offered by smart card. Next, physical access. There are identity cards for both employees and students in all types of business and universities. The purpose is to grant access to certain equipment data and department as per one's needs. These cards contain identity details of all users which can be checked and scanned. These cards can be securely used for physical access, allowing access only to authorized users. For a highly secured organization, these smart card applications act as a tamper-proof devices for storing information such as the user, fingerprint, image, etc. Next one, domestic purposes. The most commonly used smart card for domestic purposes are DTH cards. These cards provide authorized access to information receiving from satellites. The information received by this card gets encrypted and decrypted within it. Next one, government applications. The Government of India issues identity card to all citizens. It includes details of all basic information about an individual. An example of such cards, Aadhaar card provided to all citizens. Next one, banking and retail. Smart banking cards are being used widely by all of us for our day-to-day purposes. These include the credit card, debit card or stored value cards offering a counterfeit or tamper-proof device. Next one, electronic purse. Smart cards are used to value monetary amounts for small purchases. These smart card readers recover the amount currently stored and reduce the amount used by the customers to make the purchases. Vending machines, parking, transportation tickets, taxis, groceries are some of the areas which do not reach amounts to justify the hassle of using credit card. Next one, healthcare. The advent of smart card in healthcare sectors has allowed hospitals to securely store patients' medical reports safely and reliably. It helps authorities to access information quickly, can update if required immediate insurance processing and refunds. Another advantages of this is compliances with the government authorities for organ donation program, etc. Next one, ID verification and access control. Smart cards are used for identity verification purpose. It allows mutual authentication and a public key encryption software to identify the card holder. These smart card applications also store personal information including fingerprint or user picture. Next one, schools. In the present day education system, smart cards are being used in schools. These cards are very beneficial for students, parents, school authorities, etc. Students' details are securely saved in this. Smart card applications in school help in physical access tracking for buying things from canteens, school stationery shops, library, fee payments, etc. Next one, computer and network security. The computer have begun using smart card instead of username and password. Using this card, user can be authenticated and authorized to specific data based on present privilege. Thank you, students.